Hi, this is Zen Ziejewski of the Z Team and Keller Williams coming from beautiful Orange County, California. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Hey, today I want to talk about the 3 reasons why homes typically don't sell. Okay, so the third reason why is a home is either too cluttered, it's got family photos everywhere, it has pet odors, it doesn't smell clean. That's a big turnoff for buyers, okay? People be able to walk into a house and visualize them living there. So between what they see and all the junk and all the smells, it makes a huge difference. Number 2 reason why homes don't sell is that there's too many repairs. People say, oh, they can make it their own. Well, people don't have a big budget for repairs these days when they're putting 20% down and closing cost in Orange County, and the average home price is about $750,000. So with that said, you gotta be clean, move-in ready. Doesn't have to be fancy upgrades, but at the end of the day, move-in ready and clean is key to getting top dollar. And the final reason is your home's priced too high. Okay, pricing the home right and having a pricing strategy that we discuss with you is the way to get it sold. Okay, you may have made upgrades or done things in your taste or your colors or your favorite things. That doesn't mean a buyer's going to pay for that, or they're going to like it and they're going to have to do it their own. So at the end of the day, the biggest reason why homes don't sell are these 3. 1, too much clutter, smells, odors, not making a good impression. Number 2, it's not move-in ready and ready to go. Too many repairs, buyers can't take them on. And lastly, your home is overpriced. So if you want to talk about any of those items, or you're thinking about listing or buying, please contact Zen and the Z Team, and thanks so much for watching.